Very good morning, children. This is your computer period, and for this period, I am going to give you one exercise for MS Access. For MS Access, you have to solve out this activity B, which is given. Already, this type of activity I have given you in last period also. That was activity A. Here there are 8 questions and you have to answer these 8 questions. Very first question is create a table. So you have to write down, for this question's answer, you have to write down what method you will take, what steps you will take to create a table in MS Access. Then after creating, you have to answer that how you will enter the records. How you will enter the records. Okay. Then second question is make changes in a table, rename the field name, mobile number to contact number. That is what field, what option you will use. You will right click and you will use rename option. This way you have to answer all the questions. Third question is set registered number as the primary key. You have to give right click. You have to give right click on the column. You will get a drop down list, and from that drop down list you have to select primary key and set registration number as primary key, that column as primary key. To insert a new field, again wherever you have to insert, first place your cursor there and then give right click. You will get drop down menu, and then from there you have to select insert a new field. Like this, how to delete first and second record, you have to delete the records. For editing means certain changes if you have to do. So for editing, what do? You simply click there and go for the editing and then save it. Another is sorting. Sort the record as in ascending or descending order. To sort out, on the top there is a tab which shows you A to Z or from Z to A. So whatever way you have to sort out your record, that you have to select and go for sorting. Last question is save the table. So from file menu you have to select save option to save the file or the database. Okay children, you have to do it, complete your work and send it to me. You have to write it in your fair computer copy. Thank you children.